welcome to Yoga Story Presents Breaking Down Tabletop Cow Cat. So when we come into tabletop, get a little bit closer. When we come into tabletop, our shoulders are over the wrists. Hands are shoulder distance apart. Fingers are out wide. Hips are directly over the knees, and the knees are hip width apart. So here we're pressing into the ground. We're lengthening through the crown of the head. So the crown of the head, the very top of the head, is reaching forward. We're keeping the neck nice and long. And the eyes are just a few inches in front of the fingers, centered between the hands. Tailbone is reaching back. So we're creating space between each disc and the spine. Creating length through the spine, because the more length that we have, the more flexibility we find as we move into cow. On an inhale, we won't only drop the belly, but we will really make this movement of bringing the chest forward and creating a C in the back. We're lifting slowly the eyes up. So just following whatever is in front of you all the way up. And then also the tailbone is lifting. So we have this tilt of the pelvis forward, creating a C shape in our back. So here we've moved into cow. And play around with this, making sure, because often we do cue this one breath at a time, but in your own practice, be sure that when you're in cow, you can stay there for a few breaths. You're drawing the shoulders away, chest is moving between or toward in the direction of between the biceps. On an exhale, we're pushing the ground away, pushing into that thumb and forefinger of the hands, letting the eyes slowly drop, letting the back arch, pressing into the ground, letting the tailbone or the pelvis tilt up. Tailbone is pointing down, and our eyes are coming right to the belly button. So we create a nice stretch through the upper mid-back. And again, the same thing here. In your own practice, or even in the classroom, just take some time to be here for a couple of breaths. Being sure you're able to take those deep breaths in and out. And moving again to cow. And back down slowly to cat. Being sure all the while that you're not straining the jaw, you're not straining the neck. The face is staying soft, as is the neck. So if you, for cow, only are able to come up here, that is okay. Just be wherever your body is for right now until you can make those adjustments to draw the chest forward or bring more flexibility into the back to create that C. Another nice option for cow-cat is to bring the hips back, to swing to the side, maybe coming into cow here. Bring the hips back like you're gonna sit in child's pose. And then arch the back coming into cat. Swing to the other side. And then coming back, cow, to this side, sitting it back, and arching on this side. Here we find a little bit more movement, being sure that your head is turning with the swing. You'll find a little bit more ease, or at least I do, as I'm moving through here when I follow the movement with my eyes. If we keep that's just nicer on the neck to follow that. So just some options for you as you go into tabletop, come into cow and cat, and enjoy that pose. And take some time in it, even in class. As I said, just let yourself move with the breath, not worrying if the breath is maybe being cued a little quicker than your own breath. Always, always, in every class, through every pose, move with your own breath. Thanks for watching. Peace, 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 and namaste.